S4OM is a 40-port 2-in-1 video processor, which integrates 4K main control and video processing functions, supports mixed input of ultra-high definition and high-definition interfaces, easily handling various video sources. Up to 6 screens can be displayed simultaneously, processing 5 different input signal sources, 40 gigabit network port outputs, and driving a maximum of 26 million pixel LED display screen. Using high-end image processing technology to effectively reduce motion blur and jagged edges, making the image clearer and more delicate. Other images can be inserted into the 4000 main screen, supporting to 4K windows plus to 2K windows or 6K windows, with window overlays, roaming, and arbitrary switching. Supports audio input and output, with dynamic switching between audio and video to ensure audio-visual synchronization. The S4OM is suitable for various project application scenarios, such as large-scale stage theater performances, exhibitions, bars, KTVs, etc. Whether it is a large LED display screen or a hybrid LED display screen, it can be perfectly adapted. Choose S4OM to make your vision clearer and broader.